What's up, y'all? Happy Monday. Heck yeah. Or whatever day it is that you're watching this. I haven't been on here in a while, so I've been crazy busy dealing with some things and some crazy things. Crazy things. If you know me personally, probably know what I'm talking about. But yeah, been the good part of busy. Went down to California, went to SeaWorld. Went down there, visited my dad. My dad lives down there, Southern California. So that was a good time. We got back. We're hanging out at the pool. My wife and I have been talking about it for years. We've been together for 18 years. And I finally decided it was time to tie the knot. So went to Vegas, took the kids. It was awesome. I mean, my dad was there. Sorry if you couldn't be there. It was kind of a spur of the moment kind of thing, and finally did it. So hell yeah, super excited about that. I've been waiting for that for a long time. But yeah, it was awesome. So thanks to my dad if you're watching. Hell yeah, thank you. Anyways, so I'm back home, been doing some things, working on the Civic a little bit. As you can see, not much has changed. Got a different catch can in there. Turbo's still going good. It's a Twisted Motion 3076. Love that thing. All the piping done by RW. The hood exit still got to go. I want to go down and go out the side and come out here in the bumper. So just get rid of some of that soot and stuff that's on the hood and how dirty it gets. It's terrible. And then the smell and stuff too. But yeah, everything's still working. Shit, I don't know. Manifold's actually doing pretty damn good. I don't think there's any cracks yet. Of course, we had to weld it a few times. Steve down there at ARW did all the charge pipe for me. Sorry, everything's dirty. I was running without a hood on it, and that stuff just gets everywhere. This thing's on pump gas, and they keep telling me to get it on 85 and do that and do a couple other things, which obviously would make more power. The G8, she's still looking sad, dude. I actually lost the key for this thing. As you can see, she dead. Yeah, I actually found it. I had the key in my toolbox. So, hell yeah. Let's see if this thing's gonna start. I don't know. Maybe it won't. Maybe it will. But let's see. Found the key. It's right here. Let's see what she sounds like. I haven't heard it in, shoot, it's been, I don't know, almost a month. Haven't messed with this car. So yeah, let's see if it starts. See if I can get in this thing. Whew, she's all sealed up. See if she's, shoot, I don't know, the battery might be dead. Stereo still works. Got any warnings? No? That sound, dude. I haven't heard that in like a month. Love it. Yeah, she good. I miss this thing so much. Oh yeah, so anyways, like I said, haven't posted anything, haven't been able to drive the G8, haven't been able to fix the G8. Just been working on the Honda and whatever else, not really working on it, but driving it every day. Sucks, like 90 degrees, no AC. Now winter's coming anyway, so I don't have to worry about that. But yeah, for the whole month of August and part of July, I haven't got to drive the G8. So yeah, if you're listening, Cliff, I need that rear end, dude. I need it, whatever it takes. Hell yeah. So getting into the video from yesterday, I went out, got some coffee for my wife and and I was driving home, and the Civic, it's got no cup holders. So if you don't know what these look like, no cup holders. No, I don't have one on the dash. So I always put it like in between the seats and the, like I have to actually put it like in between the e-brake, which sucks because I've had numerous drinks, probably like 3 rock stars, the fruit punch kind, you know? Yeah, they're underneath the carpet. There's probably 2 full ones, who knows, have soaked into that carpet. But anyways, driving down the road, was doing like a pre-video. I seen this Mustang, he looked like he wanted to race me. And so I said, why the hell not? But neighbors, dude, gotta living in the hood. Anyways, he stole the hit from me, and yeah, so got after it, went by him. It was fun. And then I posted a couple videos after that. Actually was out at a family get together and took took my nephew for a ride in the Honda. A little short hit and then a burnout, but hell yeah. So long story short, been busy, but I'm gonna get back on here. Also, we're gonna be doing, if you're local to where I live, we're gonna be doing an open house this weekend at Atomic Raceworks, so ARW. Should be pretty good. Want to try to line that whole street. So like I said, it's an open house, but just come down, hang out kind of thing. Be releasing probably a video for that shortly, but a lot of stuff I can do with that drone too. I can't wait to start playing with that thing. But hell yeah. So thanks for subscribing, and be looking forward to putting out some more videos, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. But thanks for tuning in, and if you like the video, let me know. If you want to see more of the Civic, or what needs to be done, or be posting up that exhaust change, as I've been talking about that, and doing the G8. So like I said, Cliff, if you're watching, dude, I need the SS rear end, dude. Come on, I need it. Anyways, yeah, hell yeah. Thanks for subscribing, liking the videos. Please comment, tell me what you want to see. But until then, you guys have a good one, and I'll see you in the next one.
The devil in a red dress, call 911, I'm a killer. You know I hate to confess. Bang, bang, on my head, bang, on my head, bang, on my head.
This is what sucks. Driving a manual.